Hey guys, it's Carter with the Swing Trading Masterclass. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to swing trade, the strategies, the approach behind navigating swing trading in the market. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school, the Swing Trading Masterclass. Swing Trading Masterclass, it's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, pretty much how-tos. We have the video lesson library. You guys have access, lifetime access to the group chat, private weekly live streams. Check it out. And we're doing a back to school day sale for 50% off. So you won't regret it. It's awesome. And that code expires Monday. So check it out, guys. And let's dive into this here. So how do you swing trade? So obviously you don't buy just random companies. Investing and trading random companies is a recipe for disaster. And when I first started out trading, that is exactly what I did. And honestly, as a trader, you can get lucky, right? When you buy a stock, you pretty much have a 50-50 chance of making money. Either the stock goes up or it goes down. So you have a 50-50 chance. But what I have a tendency of seeing is people They just buy random companies that they think have some sort of potential, and maybe they get lucky once or twice or three times, but they slowly burn through their account. So for me, the first thing, if you are starting out swing trading, and this is the first video you guys are watching, is to invest in this. This is a trading journal. What this does, I'll put this down below because it's awesome, but what this does is it helps you choose quality. It'll help you write out a checklist so you can kind of go through your checklist in order to understand the stock you are buying and why you're buying it. The next thing that I want to talk about is if you're just starting out, right, have that checklist. That checklist is going to be awesome. But more importantly, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. A lot of people think that if you're just starting out, you can just fund an account with $100 and you'll make $100 a day and you'll be good to go for the rest of your life. No, you need to dedicate 6 months to a year of hard work, of practice, building a strategy, a checklist, all of that stuff before you guys fund an account. And I already can hear the comments saying, Carter, well, you know, that doesn't deal with emotion. And you are right. After you swing trade and you have a plan, a strategy, and approach, then you fund an account with $100 and you slowly start introducing real cash and capital and build up the emotion side of trading. So guys, let's show you a very, very easy stock and trade that we are in on. And this is on ticker symbol MCK. MCK here is a stock, just by looking at it, what is one of the first things you guys notice? So if you look at it, you'll notice we have this beautiful upward trend. So trends, in my opinion, are the bread and butter of trading. Imagine the stock like a river. It's always better to swim downstream than trying to swim upstream. That's how I imagine the stock. So the next thing is, how do you capitalize on short-term movements? So the first thing I do is I need to understand where the stock has heavy support. So looking at this, you guys will see that we've seen tendencies of the stock hitting this red line and getting buying pressure, hitting it, getting buying pressure. If we actually zoom back, you guys can see even more where it hits it and we got good buying pressure there. So recently, the stock sold off due to bad earnings. And what we did is we have scanners in place to look for these types of opportunities. And if you guys want to learn how to find these plays, check out our school where we break it all down. But what we do here is we understand that this red line is what we call the 200-day moving average line. So it acts as support. It also acts as resistance. So with the stock being above it, it acts as support, like we know. So it hits it. And now, do you just buy it randomly? Absolutely not. You want to look for heavy support. So you guys can see where it hits it and we get good buying pressure. Then it recently popped up, curled down, and formed this trend line going up. So we actually got in near and around this 545 range on this move going up. So right now we're up handsomely on this investment and on this trade, but more importantly, another indicator you guys can use is the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It tracks momentum. So you guys can see at the time of sell-off, it sold off down to about a 26 on the RSI, which the last time it was trading for a 26 was all the way back in here, all the way in early 2023, where the stock went from 320 to about 370. Now that move might not seem like much, but as a swing trader, it's our job to not focus on home runs, but base hits. So that is still a 10% return, and I'll take 10% any day of the week, right? What makes a successful swing trader, successful isn't about these massive returns of 100, 200%. It's about those small base hits that compound over time. And that's what a lot of traders get mixed up on, is they expect to make $1 million, but they never want to just put in the time. It's just like an engineer, a doctor. It takes years of practice, hard work, and you got to have that same approach when it comes to swing trading. I've been doing this for over 6 years, and I can tell you that this is the best approach for swing trading in the market. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the course. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and take care.